sick.
Yeah. What were we talking about in the car?
No, you me, dude.
Nah, seriously, this is it.
I was excited because I knew what I was going to get, but as I said to my own son, I think for me the excitement was because yesterday when I got here, it wasn't about give me the keys, see you later, we'll send you an invoice. You took me through the workshop, you introduced me to the boys, and I've heard it on Facebook and it's true. We're a part of the family, man, and you never made it about money, you made it about an instant respect, an instant line of friendship, and yeah, that's why I'm wrapped. You put AutoCraze all over it, man.
Now you are part of the family, bro.
Absolutely.
And on top of that, to make you more part of the family, rolling down, rolling down in Melbourne, you know what I mean? Let the people know where we've come from and stuff. That's yours. Take this back with you.
That is mine. It goes well over and beyond what I'm looking at here. It's about this, and it's about these guys. I only spoke to this guy once over the phone compared to many in Melbourne, and at the end of that phone call, this car was booked. I'm up here now. This for me is a dream. It's not just a work car, it's my rig, it's everything I could possibly imagine I'd ever want to do to it, and it's thanks to these guys, and I'm proud, and we're proud to be part of the family. So AutoCraze, legends, man.
God bless, man. If you know anybody that's got any rig, I'll sell it to you. These boys will do it for you.
AutoCraze, man.
Thank you very much.